So David Salmon dreamt of becoming a Rhodes Scholar. He's been dreaming about it since he was 15 years old. And just a few weeks ago, his dream became reality. He's zooming in now to tell us about the road to Rhodes Scholarship. Good morning to you, David, and congratulations.
Good morning, and thank you very much.
Oh, man. So which foreign are you in now? Are you in foreign or are you here still?
I'm in the UK now.
You're in the UK? Are you at Oxford?
Yes. No, I'm at Cambridge. I am currently doing my master's at Cambridge.
And then you're going to do the scholarship at Oxford University to pursue a Doctor of Philosophy in International Development. Sir, this is a very, very big deal. Rhodes scholarships are awarded to young leaders from around the world, and you say you consider yourself a citizen of the world, and you are excited to make a difference in the world. Talk to me a little bit about that and what that means to you.
Well, making a difference to me means that using my talents, skills, and abilities to uplift the lives of people, especially those who are the most vulnerable in society.
Yeah. So you were dreaming about this for a while. Since you were 15, 2015 Rhodes Scholar Tariq Parker came to your school, Wolmer's, Aggie. Court Agis gave a very inspirational address, and you decided on that day that this was the road that you wanted to walk. You even wrote it on a wall in your room. Say, I'm going to become a Rhodes Scholar. Tell us about the journey from being inspired that day to where you are now, because it took a lot of hard work.
All right, so the journey began 7 years ago when I was 15. And after I learned about Tariq Parker, I said, this is something that I want to do. So I remember at the end of third form, I sat with my mom in my room and I said, I'm going to be a Rhodes Scholar. I'm aiming to do it right after my undergrad. And I looked at the criteria of the scholarship and I said, this is what I'm going to be doing in the years ahead. So I planned out, I remember I did a 1-year plan, a 3-year plan, a 5-year plan, and a 10-year plan, saying that this is what I'm going to focus on in these periods of my life.
At 15 years old?
Yes.
Okay.